Hey guys, it's your girl Senior D, and I am back with my YouTube channel again, so welcome back. Obviously you can see I am in a different setup than what I was before. Quality's a lot better, lighting's a lot better, everything is better all as a whole. Obviously I've been away from doing my YouTube channel for a long time. When I started it probably years ago, and then I stopped and it flopped because I just didn't have enough time with work in the way I was traveling. So I am back with something to start off today with. So I guess I'll stop jibber jabbering, and obviously you can see in the title what this is about. It is about Boxy Charm. So I got my Boxy Charm a few days ago, so I wanted to kind of review it, talk to you guys a little about it if you've never tried it before. Actually, this is my second box I've ever gotten from them for the month of July. So yeah, it's $21 a month. Everything you get in here is full-size products. You get 4 to 5 products, I believe. And it's a lot of name brand stuff or some indie brands you may have never tried before. So I'm really excited about it. I did do a little sneak peek, but obviously we'll go into it with each other so we can see what's in there, alright? So just to kind of start off, obviously again, when you open it up, it's going to look like this. You do have the Boxy Charm card that is in here for you, and it basically tells you everything that you've gotten in your box. It does give you the price value for all of your stuff as well. So for this month, what am I trying to think of, guys? The theme, that's what I'm talking about. The theme for this one is road tripping for the month of July, and it has Boxy Charm, and it has a little license plate right there for you guys. And then it's kind of telling me about the few products I have in here. So I have 5 products in here. So the first one we can pull out, which is going to be, which is the Dr. Brandt's Needless No More, No Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So that's what it looks like right there. It is 0.5 ounces, which is 15 grams, and this retails for $42. So for this, it just says, say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, restful looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel, formulated with biometric technology, peptides, and botanical extracts. You're guaranteed visible reduced under eye bags and dark circles. So cool. Actually, I've never been really into like stuff for my under eyes, which I probably should since I'm more of a night owl and I tend to have bags underneath my eyes, even though I'm kind of young to have bags under my eyes. It is what it is. But that is the first product that we have got for our Boxy Charm. The second product that we see in here is a mascara, and this is by Wander Beauty. I've heard of the brand before. I've never used any products of theirs before, so I'm kind of intrigued. And also the packaging is a little different than normal, if you guys can see that. And then, I mean, again, it's in a weird, like, squeezy tube kind of thing. So normally when you get a mascara, it's a little bit different. It's more plastic, hard shelling, never anything like this. So I'm kind of intrigued with that as well. For the Wander Beauty, it is Unlash Volumizing and Curling Mascara. This is award-winning black intense glossy mascara will bring your lashes to a new heights, literally. The Unlash Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. And this retails for $24. And then next we do have Note Cosmetics, which I've never heard of before. It says this is a compact blush in 05 Desert Rose. So this is the packaging. It's like cheap plastic, I guess. Typical, some plastic that some brands typically use. Who knows? But again, it looks like that, Note, and then you kind of just pop it open, just like majority of the blushes. And that is what it looks like right there for you guys. So it's kind of like a natural color, natural peachy color, if you would say. It does have obviously their anagram in it right there. Again, this is designed to work with all skin types. This luminous, paraben-free blush adds neutral colors to your cheeks while preventing dryness, and its argan oil infused formula that's built into the brush mirror makes this little compact 3-in-1 perfect for the charmer on the go, and this retails for $11.99. Anyways, the next part is Shella Beauty, which is an eyebrow cream, and this retails for $26. Now, I've kind of heard of this brand before. I think I got it once in an Ipsy bag a while back, and again, it's just an eyebrow cream, effectively defines your brows and shapes them. It sets very easily for the perfect brow that will last all night. And then basically it has a little brush right here, and then the other end, when you unscrew it like this, has the product on the inside. I'm kind of intrigued with it, but I mean, I like the easy travel size that I can do with this instead of having like a brush and other stuff. But obviously it does have a spoolie, so you can, you know, brush through your eyebrows. So I mean, I'll give it a go and try it out and see if I like it or if I won't like it. But it is what it is. And that retails, again, I'm sorry, for $26 if I did not say that already. And the last thing, which is the biggest item in here, is an eyeshadow palette. And this I'm super excited about. It's by Crown Pro. So if you hear noises in the background, it's because my boyfriend just got home and my dog is being very loud because he's super excited that someone is home. And I can hear someone probably creeping outside of my door while I'm talking. Anyways, so I did get a palette and it looks like this. It does have some really pretty colors in it. It's like purple and brownish and taupe, so if you look at that, that's what it looks like right there. Go ahead and swatch from the colors. I'm kind of intrigued to see what this one looks like because it's really, really pretty. And wow, that is pretty and very pigmented. I cannot wait to put that in my eyes. Let's try one more of these. Let's try maybe probably one of the natural shades just to kind of see what the pigmentation is, if it's going to be, you know, I was really soft when I went into with it, so we'll just see what it looks like there. That is beautiful. They both are, so I'm super excited. I love these types of colors, but at the same time, they're more colors that you find a lot in palettes, especially like the Naked Heat palette kind of has colors like that. Some of the like more mauve-y colors that you guys see tend to have, you know, those are in some other palettes that you can find as well super easily. And this retails for $29.99. So that is everything that I got in my Boxy Charm for the month of July. Super excited I got it. I cannot wait to try that palette, and that eyeshadow is stunning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below. Please subscribe. Please hit that little notification bell somewhere in there. And thank you guys so much for watching today. I know this is kind of like a short video, but I just wanted to make sure I was able to show you guys the products I got. Maybe everyone got the same products. Who knows if you guys got different products. If you got something different, please tell me down below. I would love to know what other products that are out there that people are getting in their Boxy Charm. And because this is my second box that I've ever gotten. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you later. Bye!